Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing to bring you the top 5 best 3D printers for all types of users from beginners to advanced creators. Whether you're into DIY projects, prototyping, or simply exploring this incredible technology, there's a printer here that's perfect for you. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2. If you only want to print small-scale models for tabletop wargaming or role-playing, then an entry-level model like the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 is an excellent solution, especially on a limited budget. Despite this resin printer's affordable price, it still packs a punch, offering impressive print quality and an intuitive and straightforward setup. Like most resin printers, this one can't compete with the speed of filament models. However, the curing time is the same as any other resin printer when making smaller prints. It's compatible with a wide range of resins from ANYCUBIC, including clear and water washable. This cuts down on isopropyl alcohol use, which reduces the environmental impact. If you want to produce small, high-quality resin prints on a budget, this one is hard to beat. Coming in at number 4 is the Toybox One-Touch Kid-Friendly 3D Printer. For a kid's first 3D printer, the last thing they need to do is feel overwhelmed by choices, or worse, be exposed to toxic filament materials and hot components. The Toybox One-Touch Kid-Friendly 3D Printer addresses those concerns with a compact, straightforward, and simple design that's easy to learn but offers a lot of scope for letting children's imaginations run wild. It has a cute design, calling the filament materials food for the printer to eat. The different colors even have food-like names. It only supports PLA filaments, but that keeps it simple, and you needn't worry about more complicated materials to work with. There are no settings to adjust, and designs can only be downloaded from a curated collection. This means that kids can focus on learning about how 3D printing works rather than getting discouraged by something overly complicated. At number 3, we have the Creality Ender 3v2 Neo 3D Printer. For a beginner-friendly 3D printer, you want a design that's intuitive to use and forgiving of mistakes. For that, we selected the Creality Ender 3v2. A fast heat-up time and resume print function after a power loss means if you trip the power or have to start again, you can do so quickly and without compromising your print. The Creality Ender 3v2 might be price competitive with our favorite budget printer, the Elegoo Neptune 3. However, the latter is designed to get you going as fast as possible if you already know about 3D printing. If you don't, a printer that you have to work with a little is a great way to learn. Once you've put your Creality Ender 3v2 Neo 3D printer together and are ready to print, you'll know everything you need to make quality prints right away. Number 2 on our list is the Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro. You don't need to spend over $1,000 to get a great 3D printer. The $250 Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro is a perfect example of the kind of terrific filament printer that comes at an affordable price. It's a great tool for occasional 3D printing, or for trying out 3D printing for the first time. It supports a range of common and affordable filament types, and it can print some quite large objects, especially if you break them up into individual parts. You won't get the print quality much more expensive 3D printers, and the Elegoo lacks certain features, like a temperature-controlled drying box for more uniform prints. That said, for $250, the feature list is extensive. Controls are simple and intuitive, and the auto-leveling bed ensures that your printouts aren't crooked. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Qidi X Max3. For a 3D printer that's quiet, capable of quality prints using a range of filament materials, and less costly than some professional models, the Qidi X Max3 strikes a fine balance that makes it our top choice. Its more affordable, smaller, and less capable siblings, the X Plus 3 and X Smart 3, are available for those with more limited budgets, but you get a lot of 3D printer for your money with the Max design. It has a very large print area, letting you build complex filament printed designs, or even larger ones if you make them in pieces and stick them together later. It includes a small touchscreen to help navigate its menus that's intuitive to use, even for beginners. Its print speed is impressive, too, so you won't be hanging around waiting for your print to finish for hours and hours. So there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best 3D printers out there. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews, guides, and tech recommendations. Thanks for watching.